Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. All right guys, so today we have some future spoilers for BoxyCharm. I am not 100% sure what month they're going to be in, if it's going to be in the June box or exactly which month that they are coming, but we do know it's coming. So I seen this on Instagram at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek. She showed that Glow Recipe is coming to Boxy, and I also seen this on BoxyCharm on Instagram. Now, Joe is showing a couple of products, and I'm assuming this is the products that are the spoilers. So the first thing is the Pineapple Bright Serum. Then the next thing is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And then we have the Avocado Melt Mask. And the last thing is the Blueberry Bounce Cleanser. So why don't you guys comment below which one of these you guys would like. And also, if you are not with BoxyCharm yet, if you want to sign up, there's a link below where you could sign up and get a free Becca Cosmetics Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. Looks like a really cool product, but I think it's a really cool product to sign up with. And also, I wanted to mention to you guys that the video that I done the other day showing a couple of different variations for the June BoxyCharm box. Now this is for the standard $21 box. There was a highlighter in there that, well, I called the mystery highlighter because I couldn't figure out what it was. So I'm going to show you that variation right here, and I'll show you the highlighter. Thanks to all of my subscribers that brought this to my attention, we now know what this highlighter is. It is the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter, and we know that is going to be one of the variations in the June BoxyCharm box. And I did update that video, but I'm not sure. Not a lot of people see where I put the updates, so I did want to add that into this video. And as always, guys, I will always update you if anything new comes to BoxyCharm or other spoilers that I do. So always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys go, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.